In this video, I'll show you how to sell on Amazon through Alibaba. Now, when people say they are selling through Alibaba, they are not selling through Alibaba. What they are doing is just using Alibaba as a supplier. So what they do, they go and pick a product, let's say these Mi Bluetooth wireless headsets. They copy the description and make their own listing on their Amazon store. Then, okay, of course, you wouldn't pick this specific product because as you can see here, max one piece per shopper, but they would buy these in bulk. So here you can see it's 17 Rand, so that's about $1. And then they would sell it on their store for about $3-4. You might even get big time discounts for buying in large quantities. Maybe the shipping fee will be waived and so forth. And if you do decide to go this route, just make sure that the products are quality that you're buying. Reviews will generally give you a good idea of what you are getting. And that's really all there is to it. There's no special Alibaba setup that they have to let you sell through them to Amazon. No, it's literally just they are the supplier and the Amazon seller is just a reseller. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.